Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be creating this look right here using just 3 products, and this is 3 product makeup challenge. So if you're interested in knowing how I created this look, then continue watching. So I'll be using these 3 products today, and the first product is this Wet n Wild concealer. This is in the shade medium tawny. So I'll be applying it all over my blemishes, dark spots, and here and there wherever it's necessary, that's all, and I'm not applying it all over my face. So once I'm done applying it, I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend the concealer into my skin nicely. And for now it might be looking very bright on my skin, but it will settle later because this concealer does match my skin and it really works amazing. So this concealer has become my favorite. Like before I used to use only LA Girl Pro Conceal, but now I can trust this concealer. So yeah, I just took the beauty blender on my forehead and on my neck as well. Then moving on, I'm using this LAKME 925 lip and cheek tint. This is in the shade Pink Plush. So first I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids like this, and then I'm making sure it's blended nicely and there are no harsh edges. And on top I'll be using beauty blender one more time just to make sure it's blended nicely. Once I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to dot on my cheeks like this, just 2 dots, that's all. And then I'll be blending it with my fingers first, and then I'll use beauty blender one more time just to make sure it's all blended nicely. So this lip tints are really good and the pigmentation is amazing. Like you just saw, it just takes a little amount and it goes a long way. So yeah, I just applied it on my lips as well like this, and then I blended it with my fingers like this. Then moving on, I'm using this push-up drama mascara from Maybelline, and I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with this same mascara. And then to finish off my look, I'm using same mascara wand, and I just took off the excess with tissue and I'm brushing through my eyebrows like this. I'm just being very light handed with this, and then I'll be using spoolie to take off the excess. So with that, I finished this video. It's very simple, easy, quick, and it's wearable also. So you can wear this on daily basis as well because it's not high coverage. So yeah, with that, I finished this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.